Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the pole height of your receiver in Juniper's Uinta. So this is important if you want to get more accurate elevation data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the top right corner of my project. There's the three bars there. That's going to open up my side menu. I'm going to select Settings and then Location Settings. And in here you can see at the top I have an option under General Settings for antenna height. And right now it's set to 5.5 feet, but in reality, what I've got my pole set to is 6.0 feet. So I'm going to put in 6.0 feet. I'm going to hit Save Changes, and I'm now ready to proceed with my adjusted pole height. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you change the antenna height of your receiver in Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.